What's up folks, and welcome back to the garage. Today we have one small thing to do, and then I will give you an update what's going on. Trailer's MOT passed, job done. Now I can drive 2 years with that trailer, and then we have to do a new MOT, so it's 2 years here in Finland. Next I will do, this is the Volvo's differential, which my friend will weld. I will do two pieces, both sides, 2 pieces total, one for this side and the second for this side, that to make sure that the weld really holds. So I will do that next, but before that I will give you an update what's going on with all the cars. Next vehicle to do the MOT is this Peugeot. It should be okay. I have been driving it a few times in last 2 weeks, and it works okay. I have one problem on the right side, because I can't tight one bolt from the tire, so I think I have lost the threads there, so I have to fix that. And then I have a small issue with the generator, because sometimes when I start, the charging light will slightly, you slightly can see, especially when it's dark, you can see that it's slightly glowing, so there might be some issues with connection, or maybe there is something wrong with that generator, but I will fix that or check that later. Chevy is back in, and it really likes to stay here inside. It doesn't love the Finnish winter. I still have the problem with the glow plugs, and if you watched my last Chevy video, you might see that between these two wires there is a spark jump about in this area, and it might cause the problem, maybe, but I have to figure that out. But I have decided that I won't do anything with this car before I get the new battery, because the poor battery can also cause some of the problems. But I would love to have this Saab back on the road, but I have had some problems with my time schedules. As you might know, there is an oil leak, major oil leak. It's from the gearbox, and it should be quite easy fix. It's the rear end of the box that is leaking, and my plan is tomorrow try to fix at least that one oil leak, and then you can see the red oil here is from power steering, and I try to inspect that also tomorrow. Can I fix it when it's still on the car, because it's very tight in here. You can see the black power steering there, down there, so it's very, very tight. So I will need my friend's help if I have to take the engine off, but first I will try to fix it when it's still on the car, but I'll let you know how it's gonna work tomorrow. And Volvo is here waiting for the differential. It's in the same position than when I left it in the last video. All the tools are even there, but after that I hope we will get some more grip, especially in the wintertime, and also for next summer. My goal is to drive a drag race with this car. And engine is working okay, but I have the carburetors here waiting for for installation. They are brand new. I bought them like 5 or 6 years ago, but they have been in my shelf. So there's plenty of doing for Volvo also. I managed to fit the first piece. I used a little bit my grinder, and now it fits nicely. It's deep enough, so it's easy to weld here around, and there's enough space on the top, and also it doesn't hit the drive shaft or axle, so this should be okay. Now I just have to fit this second one. Now I just have to fit the second piece. It shouldn't be it shouldn't be a difficult job, I hope. The first one was okay. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please give me a thumbs up and some comments down below. I would appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do it right away and press also the bell. So, thanks for watching and see you soon!